And then another.
Well, hello everybody, welcome back to Dex Drives. Today I'm down the little side alley that I normally come down to do some filming and shooting because it's pretty quiet down here. Yep, it is. Today I'm on my Yamaha T-Max 500, which is why my hair's a bit ruffled because of neck tube and helmet and stuff. I thought I'd show you around the bike. I'm going to be selling it, even though it's a rather lovely, pleasant day today. It is towards the end of August, September, Northern Ireland. It will rain, and I don't really ride the bike in the rain. This has been my sort of spring, summer, a little bit autumn fun, and it's now time for the Yamaha to move on to somebody else who can also enjoy and look after. Should we have a look at the bike? So let me talk you through some of the modifications that I have added to this maxi big CC automatic motorcycle scooter. This is of course the Yamaha T-Max 500. I found a very nice Puig, however you pronounce that. I think it's Pooch probably. T-Max sort of sporty screen. Actually does help a lot with the airflow going over the top of your head. It's not too buffety on motorway speeds. You can only really get from America for like hundreds of thousands of billions of dollars.
Billions and 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 billions and
proper blanking plate, so I just made up my own. So a little bit of plastic ABS, couple of nut wells, and just sprayed them black, and they actually look pretty good, I think, on the old scoot. I put a little blanking plate up on the inside of here as well, which is an Arai sticker on it, just to cover up that area a little bit. It looks a bit sort of blank without it on. There's heated grips fitted to the vehicle, Oxford ones, do a really good job actually. Haven't really used them since March, April. In this glove compartment we have a USB socket dual charger for your phone and other electronic devices. We have a RAM mount phone holder, which actually works pretty well. I've used it a few times. And we have a battery charger port in there as well, just connected to the battery so you can keep the battery topped up. The exhaust system, which is Storm, which is actually made by MIV, the Italian renowned company who do very good quality exhausts. The baffle is in. You can remove the baffle if you want to drill out this rivet in there. Gosh, that's hot. I think doing that as part of my urbaning, gangstering of this vehicle, I put a black and white number plate on and a very nice RNG tail tidy, which actually makes the rear end look a little bit better because it's quite chunky. The bike came with, I think it was the front Michelin was on this bike, it's in the paperwork, so I matched that with the same Michelin rear tyre, so very good quality tyres in it, and they do stick. You really can lean this over a fair bit if you want to. Put some little these extender things so the seat can, so the little rider hump can push up a little bit, make it more comfortable for longer journeys as well. I bought this bike with, I think, 19,100 miles on the clock, and I've just put 1,000 miles on annual service. Did the air filter myself, which is actually quite easy to do. It's tucked inside this little compartment here. I'm gonna miss her. She's I do like a T-Max. They're just so naughty and aggressive and fun. Obviously if this was in London this would have been stolen by now, but we're in Northern Ireland and there is no real motorcycle theft crime over here, and that means the insurance over here is pretty cheap. Shall we hear her start it up then? I thought I'd show you the service history for the Yamaha T-Max. So, owner's manual, as well as the original key for the bike. I have a genuine Yamaha spare, which hasn't even been used. It's still got the plastic tag on it. And very importantly, the red master service key. Don't think it's even been used. If anything needs looking at diagnostically. Also has the key tag numbers as well in case you need these cut, which you shouldn't do. We have the service book, which is fully stamped up. First service 650 miles, next service 3,200, 5,500, 7,150, 9,400, 12,500, which is the big service on these. Every 13,000 miles is a big service. These were all done by Yamaha dealers, by the way. Then it came to Northern Ireland, where it's had all in filter and plug services. 14,000, 18,300 was a full service and a rear tyre. And then I had the service done at 19,100 miles, which included fitting the exhaust, the RNG tail tidy, and I must have bought the front tyre for the bike, the Michelin front tyre. So service history is bang up to date. Lots of paperwork to back that up. That's the service I recently had done. And there's paperwork here for the tyre that I paid for. There's loads of other bits and bobs here from other dealerships in the past. Yeah, lots and lots of stuff, lots of paperwork. All the MOTs going back as well, and various bits of paperwork for parts. The MOT expires on this on the 19th of June 2024. Again, clean MOT, nothing at all to mention. V5s, yeah, so again a solid paperwork history vehicle.